Hi, I'm Liv. I'm here to tell you about this week's Friday Features fabric collection. These are the fabrics that'll go live tomorrow at 10 a.m. Central Time on our website at thriftynotion.com. I'm going to tell you about drape, stretch, projects they might be good for. That way you can think about it overnight, figure out what you want to do with them, if you even want them, sleep on it, and be ready in the morning if there's one of these that you've decided you need to add to your sewing stash, hopefully to make something soon. All right, let's get started. You may notice the new background. We are slowly but surely getting our building together. It's been a lot. Trying to up my game on the video production here, at least background wise. First up, more raw silk. If you've been following for the past couple of weeks, we have had a whole array of colors of raw silk. Here's the pink one. So we still have some purple, we have black. I think the red is all gone. There's still quite a bit of raw silk floating around. This is called Pink Punch, and it is an as-is fabric only because on one side there's fading on the fold. You cannot see it from the other side. It's very faint. It kind of blends into the slubbiness of the fabric, but you can tell on the back side that there is some fading on the fold. So just keep that in mind. You want to pay close attention to which side of the fabric you're using. It's kind of a medium weight. It is a little bit sheer just because it's loosely woven. Has some nice drape. Great for simple dresses, boxy shirts, those kinds of things. This one's called Apple Cider Sandwashed Silk Rayon. This is kind of a fancy one. It's just really dreamy, nice and fluid, really soft, and has amazing drape because of that rayon and silk. It's also a really pretty fall color. Great for blouses and dresses. You could do a skirt out of this as well. Not super sheer. It's actually fairly opaque. It's a little bit chunkier than sundress rayon. You might have noticed we kind of have like a fiery palette this week, very cinnamon and spice. This is a red, well, it's called Crimson Silk Crepe. Again, not particularly sheer. Very similar in weight to the one I just showed you, the apple cider. It's good for the same things, blouses and dresses. This is called Power Suit. It is a wool suiting, so you can make yourself a very red jacket. Would be great for a trench or something like that. You could also do an actual suit if that's what you're into. Really cute. A little crop jacket would be very cute. Some cigarette pants, also adorable. Some people wear red as a neutral, and somehow it works. I'm not one of those people, but I believe in them, and more power to them. Medium weight, just a little bit sheer. You'd probably want to line this if you're going to use it for a skirt or pants. Really lovely suiting. This is called Red Spotty Wool. It's a double knit. So you can see the back is kind of brown and the front is red with brown spots. I'm going to see if I can show you the stretch here. I think this is our only knit this week. Pretty stretchy this way. Not super stretchy this way. This is warm and it's wool. So it's going to breathe, but it's really going to keep you warm. This would make a nice kind of bulky cardigan sort of thing. That's probably your best bet for this one. Other than perhaps making some sort of sweatshirt, sweater hybrid, it's pretty finely knit, so it doesn't really read as a sweater. It almost reads more as sweatshirt material. Pretty nice, pretty warm and cozy. This one's called Firecracker Floral, and it's a rayon. Really pretty much only enough here for one person. This is your sundress rayon. This is one that you can make sundresses and skirts, blouses, camisoles, all the breezy things. They're really nice for layering in the fall. This is Orange and Brown Abstract Houndstooth. It's kind of a mosaic of houndstooth in different sizes. This is polyester. It'd be more for like a really nice lining for a jacket or something. You could also use it to make a blouse or a camisole or something like that. It's just interesting. We liked it. We thought it would be a good lining fabric. Here's another rayon. It's called Fall Geo Floral. Sundresses, layering items, all the floaty things. Lightweight, not terribly sheer. Just really good for skirts and dresses and camisoles. All right, this is an interesting twill. This is Magenta and Mustard twill. You can see on the end, like it's woven with magenta in one direction and a mustard yellow in the other, which gives it kind of an orange color from afar. Close up, you can really see that magenta popping. There's enough here for one person to make something very cute. It is wool, kind of a suiting weight, not terribly heavy, and just a really pretty, interesting color. Okay, this is a faux wool. It is a coating, so if you want a red pea coat or something like that, this is a great option. It will keep you very warm. This is very thick fabric, nice thick coating material. It's pretending to be wool and doing a pretty good job, although it's a little less itchy than wool. So really nice fabric here, not at all sheer, definitely will keep you warm. This one's called Bold Statement, and it is. It is a houndstooth rayon suiting. So again, this one's sort of pretending to be wool. It is made of rayon, so it's biodegradable and it will breathe. It also has really nice drape. This is a jacket or coat or suit that will not be forgotten. Really popping colors on this one. I love this. It's just a really fun one. It's another one from our artist friend from up in Wisconsin who liked to buy a lot of pretty fabrics. Our last fabric is another coating for a nice bold coat. This one's made of acrylic, which a lot of sweaters and coatings are because it is really soft and makes a nice drapey finished textile. So this one's just a little bit sheer because it's loosely woven. This is called Crayola Coating. The reason it's called that is it has basically every color that's in a crayon box except for black and white. So lots of fun, lots of color, will go with everything. Pretty much you make a coat out of this, you're good to go with any outfit. Really fun, and please, please, if you get this and make a coat, I would like to see it. All right, that's it for this week. Happy sewing.